In this short video, ipapakita ko sa iyo ang top mutual funds in the Philippines for January 2017. Manatili lamang hanggang sa dulo ng video na ito dahil meron akong ipamimigay sa iyo na makakatulong para sa pag-aaral mo tungkol sa mutual fund. Top mutual funds in the Philippines for January 2017. As of January 31, 2017, here are the top mutual funds in the Philippines from Philippine Investment Fund Association or PIFA. Top 5 equity fund based on year-to-date return. Number 1, PhilEquity PSE Index Fund Inc. NABs per share is 4 pesos and 85 centavos. Year-to-date return is 7.14%. Number 2, Philippine Stock Index Fund Corporation. NABs per share is 811.91 centavos. Ang year-to-date return niya ay 7.07%. Number 3 ay ang PAMI Equity Index Fund Inc. NABs per share is 48 pesos and 54 centavos. Year-to-date return is 6.97%. Number 4 ay ang Sun Life Prosperity Philippine Stock Index Fund Inc. NABs per share is 0.93 at ang year-to-date return niya is 6.85%. Number 5 ay ang United Fund Inc. NABs per share is 3 pesos and 30 centavos. Year-to-date return is 6.67%. Top 5 balance fund based on year-to-date return. Number 1 ay ang First Metro Save and Learn Balance Fund Inc. NABs per share is 2 pesos and 52 centavos. Year-to-date return, 4.56%. Number 2 ay ang Sun Life Prosperity Dynamic Fund Inc. NABs per share, 0.93 centavos. Year-to-date return is 4.34%. Number 4 ay ang Bahay Pari Solidarity Fund Inc. NABs per share is 2 pesos and 0.07 centavos. Year-to-date return, 3.94%. Number 5 ay ang Atram Dynamic Allocation Fund Inc. NABs per share, 1 peso and 0.73 centavos. Year-to-date return, 3.91%. Top 5 bond funds based on year-to-date return. Number 1, ang Grepa Life Bond Fund Corporation. NABs per share is 1 peso and 34 centavos. Year-to-date return is 1.95%. Number 2 ay ang Grepa Life Fixed Income Fund Corporation. NABs per share is 1 peso and 59 centavos. Year-to-date return is 1.36%. Number 3 ay ang Sun Life of Canada Prosperity Bond Fund Inc. NABs per share is 2.72 at ang year-to-date niya is 1.36%. Number 4 ay ang Sun Life Prosperity GS Fund Inc. NABs per share is 1.52. Year-to-date return ay ang 1.31%. Number 5 ay ang Soldibo Bond Fund Inc. NABs per share is 0.93 centavos at ang year-to-date return is 1.26%. Top 10 mutual funds in the Philippines as of January 31, 2017. 5-year return Number 1 ay ang Philippine Stock Index Fund Corporation. Fund type is equity fund. NABs per share is 811.91 at ang 5-year return niya is 9.91%. Number 2 ay ang PhilEquity PSE Index Fund at ang fund type equity fund. NABs per share is 4.85 at ang 5-year return niya ay 9.17%. Number 3 ay ang PhilEquity Fund Inc. Fund type equity fund. NABs per share is 35 pesos and 15 centavos. 5-year return is 9.17. Number 4 ay ang Atram Philippine Equity Opportunity Fund Inc. NABs per share is 4 pesos and 0.07 centavos. 5-year return is 7.44%. Number 5 ay ang Bahay Pari Solidaritas Fund Inc. Fund type balance fund. NABs per share is 2.07 at ang 5-year return niya is 7.26%. Number 6 ay ang Sun Life Prosperity Philippine Equity Fund Inc. Fund type equity fund. NABs per share is 3 pesos and 97 centavos at ang 5-year return niya is 7.10%. Number 7 ay ang Atram Philippine Balance Fund Inc. Fund type balance fund. NABs per share is 2.29 at ang 5-year return niya ay 7.09%. Number 8 ay ang ALFM Growth Fund Inc. Fund type equity fund. NABs per share is 255.48 at ang 5-year return niya is 5.93%. Ang number 9 ay ang First Metro Save and Learn Equity Fund Inc. Fund type is equity fund. NABs per share is 5.18 at ang 5-year return niya is 5.83%. At ang number 10 ay ang First Metro Save and Learn Fixed Income Fund Inc. Fund type is bond fund. At ang NABs per share niya is 2 pesos and 21 centavos. At ang 5-year return is 5.82%. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment.